Need to send money quickly and reliably to friends or family? MoneyGram is a popular service for domestic and international money transfers. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essential steps to send money using MoneyGram. To send money via MoneyGram, you have a few options. You can visit a MoneyGram agent location in person, which is often found at grocery stores, pharmacies, or other retailers. You'll need to fill out a send form with your details, the recipient's details, and the amount. Alternatively, you can often send money online through the MoneyGram website or their mobile app. You'll create an account, enter the recipient's information, choose the payout method, cash pickup, bank account, or mobile wallet, and select your payment method. Finally, pay for the transfer, including any fees. You'll receive a reference number. Share this reference number with your recipient. They'll need it to pick up the cash or for tracking the transfer if it's going to a bank account or mobile wallet. And there you have it. Sending money on MoneyGram is a common way to transfer funds. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.